Minahul and you.
And my name is Taiba and this is your Science Part Show. Today we will do amazing experiment. In this experiment we need water, glass, plate, matchbox, candle, ink. सबसे पहले हम प्लेट के ऊपर पानी डालेंगे। अब हम पानी में इंक डालेंगे। अब हम इससे इंक को मिक्स करेंगे। अब हम कैंडल को इस प्लेट पे रखेंगे। अब हम इसे जलाएंगे। अब हम इस गिलास को कैंडल के ऊपर रखेंगे। वाओ, पानी ऊपर आ गया। Minai, why did it happen?
The flame uses up the oxygen in the cup, creating low pressure. Atmospheric pressure then tries to force its flame. Because the water at the base of the cup, creating an airtight seal, and the pressure difference between inside and outside of the glass causes the water to raise, and the pressure inside the cup is equal to the pressure outside. Now, you can also try this at your home.
Bye bye.